Good day, investors. Welcome to the 15th of June 2015. The trade for today is called MTN and the code is MTN itself. Last traded price was 221 Rand. Action is to do a long trade or a buy with the objective it will go from a low to a high. Entry level will be on the grey line of 219.09 and the target will be 232 Rand and 23 cents. Stop loss to be used in this trade is 214.71. Looking at the current open trades, Bidvest is still in an open trade from the 9th of June. Looking at the top 40 share index itself, currently the blue line is indicating the movement, still trading here at the red line that's called the 10-day moving average, and still trading under the 20-day moving average. As you can see, there's a bit of a breakup that happened, but it's testing previous highs. Looking at the Dow Jones at this moment, the American stock market closed 140 points down on Friday evening. And currently, from the green line was the close on Thursday, and it closed to the red line here, losing 140 points downwards, making the market a lot of uncertainty as well. Today on Monday, American futures are about 50 points down, Europeans are about 40 points down, and the South African futures are showing a negative opening for Monday morning of about 250 points. But it could change at any time as the markets will open at 9 o'clock with the Europeans. The big problem at this moment, markets are unstable due to the Federal Reserve meeting that will happen on Wednesday evening. Future closeout on the South African stock market, the cause of volatility, and the talks on Greece bailout was not successful at all, but they still got time until the 30th of June. So this week's a lot of volatility. Tuesdays the market will be closed and will reopen on Wednesday. Looking at this negative movement, the Dow Jones or American market still trading underneath that green and the purple, and there's no breakup as yet, showing some relief in the market as yet. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, still trading between this red lines in a downward momentum, and we could expect a bit of a movement downwards here today. Struggle to break that green line that could have actually started breaking off a positive momentum. Huge support here at the bottoms of 45,402, currently trading at 46,129, expecting it to trade under this 46,000 level today. Shoprite still in a negative down channel, and what I mean with that, it's every time it comes to the top red line it bounces back, forming new lows. Keep a close eye on this resistance levels if any changes need to happen for positiveness. Mr. Price also trading on its sideways pattern now after it was trading between the top and the red line here. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, still trading above the green and the purple. Woolies had a nice break up to 95 Rand. Started to test this level and struggling to break it. Need to track a close eye on this one as well if it needs to come back here. Still trading between the purple and the green. Let's see if the real breakup will happen above that green line at 95 Rand. Barclays Bank. Now Barclays also struggling in this moment. You can see the top blue line here. Bringing it down, testing it basically, and still trading this negative channel. Even had a small channel from the blue to the red. But this share is also struggling and currently trading here at 180 Rand levels. Looking at the following share called Standard Bank, downward channel between the red ones, sideways movement at this moment, and needs to struggle to break this 160 if it needs to go higher, trading at 156 Rand. Be careful of that low. That low is approximately 154 Rand. If broken, more downside could be due on this specific share. Let's go to MTN. Now MTN at this moment breaking down, huge resistance here on the top of 221.81. big question is, can you break the middle green line and physically move up? And then we need to see in the next day or two if there could be a bit of a bounce upwards, but still wait for the level of 221, 222 if it needs to happen. Vodacom at this moment is testing that middle green line at 135. In actual fact, it needs to break this top here, and that top is about 135.20. Shares trading at 134.49. If you need to see a reversal happening on a reversal head and shoulder, leg, shoulder, head, forming the shoulder at this moment. Looking at Investec. Now Investec currently, here's the leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. This share is struggling to break this 110 downwards, and it's currently struggling to break the 114 upwards. You can see on the previous heads there on the Bollinger Bands, so keep a close eye on the straight for any sudden movements to happen. Looking at CFR, and now CFR is currently trading between the green and the purple, still in a downward momentum, and this is currently the low of the momentum, low, and that's the high of the momentum. Getting quite cheap, but still in a negative ABC pattern, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Needs to break 105, it needs to break higher, or the low level that needs to be tracked is 102 level. At any stage breaks 105 or 102, direction will be called into this trade. Looking at Steinhoff, came down, settled here at the bottom at 71.84, currently trading at 72.56. They are still saying if the share breaks here 75 rand, you can go higher. Please take note that this share could list in Frankfurt very soon, and that fundamentals will override the technicals, and that could cause upside or downside in the short term. So let's see how the market plays out, and we'll chat on Wednesday morning again. Enjoy your trading.